Over 90% of traders lose money, not because their strategy is wrong, not because the market is against them, but because they let their emotions take control. The truth is, psychology is the real reason traders fail. Fear, greed, revenge, and lack of discipline are silent account killers. In this video, we're going to uncover the top 5 trading psychology mistakes that keep traders losing money, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. If you've ever blown an account, closed trades too early, or doubled down on losses, this is for you. Stick with me until the end, because what you'll learn today can completely transform the way you trade. The first mistake is fear. Fear shows up in 2 ways: hesitation and premature exits. You've seen it happen. You spot a perfect setup, but you hesitate to pull the trigger. Or worse, you enter the trade, but fear makes you close too early, right before it runs exactly where you predicted. Why does this happen? Because your brain is wired for survival, not for trading. It sees every red candle as a threat. It sees every fluctuation as danger. The solution? Reframe fear. Fear is just energy. Use risk management to define your risk before you enter. Then let the market do its job. Professional traders don't eliminate fear. They control it. They trust their system and let probabilities play out. The second mistake is greed. Greed makes you chase every move, over-leverage, and trade without discipline. Have you ever had a winning trade, but instead of stopping, you jumped into another trade immediately? That's greed. Greed tells you, one more trade, one more win, double your account today. But greed doesn't care about probabilities. It only wants instant results. The fix? Build a trading plan with strict rules. Set daily limits. 1 or 2 good trades, then stop. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. The pros understand that missing a trade is better than forcing one. Greed destroys accounts. Discipline builds them. The third mistake is revenge trading. It's the emotional spiral every trader faces. You take a loss, you feel angry, and instead of stepping back, you immediately jump into another trade to win it back. Revenge trading is dangerous because it's no longer about probabilities or setups. It's about emotions. You're not trading the market anymore. You're trading your ego.
Mistake number 4 is lack of patience. Most traders know their setup. They know their strategy, but they fail because they can't wait. They enter too early. They jump into trades that almost fit their rules but not quite. They chase signals because they don't want to miss out. The truth? Patience pays. Professional traders often sit on their hands more than they trade. They know that the best opportunities are rare, but when they come, they pay big. The fix is simple but hard. Accept boredom. Trading is not about action every second. It's about waiting for the highest quality setups, then striking with confidence. The fifth and biggest mistake is lack of emotional control. This is when emotions, fear, greed, frustration, excitement, completely override logic. You know what to do, but in the heat of the moment, you do the opposite. Why? Because the brain hates uncertainty. It craves control. And in trading, uncertainty is constant. To fix this, you must train your mind like an athlete trains the body. Journaling, meditation, daily routines, affirmations, even physical exercise, these build discipline. Emotional control is not about ignoring emotions. It's about noticing them, accepting them, and still sticking to your plan. These are the top 5 psychology mistakes keeping traders stuck. 1. Fear and hesitation. 2. Greed and overtrading. 3. Revenge trading. 4. Lack of patience. 5. No emotional control. If you recognize yourself in any of these, don't feel bad. Every trader has been there. The difference between amateurs and professionals is not avoiding mistakes. It's learning to control them. Your strategy doesn't matter if your psychology is weak. But with the right mindset, even the simplest strategy can become powerful. So the next time you trade, remember, Your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's your own emotions. Master your mind, and you'll master the markets. If this video helped you, hit subscribe now, like, comment, and join our community of traders transforming psychology into profit. Together, we'll build consistency, discipline, and confidence.